Hello, good day everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about my SWOT, or strengths, weaknesses, opportunity, and threats. So my strengths or skills are drawing on digital arts or traditional, disassemble and disassemble, and fixing the system unit, and some of designs for logos. But I'm weak at communicating or public speaking, and I'm slow to adapt if I'm learning something new. And I'm kinda bad on English. Because of this, I'll take the opportunities to improve myself, such as public speaking and communicating with others. And also, I need to improve my digital arts so I can use it for commissions. But the problem is, or threat, is that there's a lot of artists too, and they're so good at it. But I'll improve myself and adapt new art styles and many more so I can keep up with them.